What's ringing, guys? It's Carl Dungy. Welcome to Beaumont College Firearm Test. I'm not going to say much today because I'm a bit upset because my biological dad passed away yesterday. So we're just going to get the test done. Let's just get this stuff done. Unfortunately, I wasn't needed to do them last week, so I'm having to do two tests this week. Just hold my hand in front of the camera so we don't get anyone in shot. Another thing that shouldn't be done. Balls blocking fire alarm core points. That's something I'm going to have to bring up. Using the chest strap makes this a lot easier. Yeah, luckily I don't see anyone. So we make sure no one gets in the vid. We're doing the downstairs ones first today. Can't wait to get this working. I've got this Apple Watch yesterday. Unfortunately, it's not compatible with my iPhone. I have iPhone X, but because of this, I'm either going to upgrade to iPhone 12, iPhone 13 or iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yeah, it's definitely find it easier to test them without holding a camcorder. I definitely find doing the tests easier this way. So as long as I can get permission to go in the college earlier, like today, and do I might just use the chest strap with the GoPro in future. Only 3 more. Whoops. Yeah, I find it easier to do the tests with the chest strap. One thing I'm happy about the manager turning up early today is I don't have to deal with that street sweeper. Those street sweepers are really loud here in Overston, and I get sick of waiting outside in the cold with that happening. All we need to do now is get this one done, then we can focus on the upstairs. Now all we have now is the upstairs ones. Also, everyone who's watching, there'll be another Beaumont College fire alarm test video this week because I wasn't here to do them last week, so this is supposed to be in place of last week's, and then I'm going to be doing this week's on Thursday. Let's see then if this one works this time. Sometimes this one doesn't work. Yeah. Hang on a minute, everyone. Come look, see what I mean about it not setting off. Just pushed in and it's not setting off. Alright everyone, we're seeing now. Yeah, it looks like it sticks. So we're gonna have to get this sorted out. Now we've just got this one last call point to test. Then after we've tested it, I can have that chat with my manager about what happened with my dad. And there we go. So that was Beaumont College fire alarm test, week 34, I believe, or 33. I've forgotten. So if you enjoyed, then please subscribe for future content. And until next time, ring out.
Check it out. Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please ring subscribe for future content.